How you can use hyperlinks in Excel. Hyperlinks helps us in quickly jumping to different places in our file, and this is especially used when you are working with a very big file. In this video, I'll tell you about the hyperlinks, how you can make these simple shapes and images clickable. We will also see how you can create a back button quickly to go to the very start of your index sheet, and we will create this back button in all the sheets in one go. By the end of this video, I'll also tell you how you can change the color of your hyperlink if you don't like the default one, and how you can give a friendly name to multiple links in one go using a formula. So let's get into it. To add a hyperlink in the Excel, just type in the link. For example, let's say I'm typing my website blog here. Press enter. And the Excel is very smart and it will recognize it as a hyperlink. You will be able to click on it and it will take you to some web page. Now sometimes you don't want to show the entire link. It's too big and it don't look good as it is. So you can also give a friendly name to it. Right mouse click, go to edit hyperlink. Let's write here Excel shortcut keys. Click on screen tip. Right here, click to learn more. Now click OK and OK. So now when I hover over with my mouse here, it says click to learn more. And when I click it, it takes me to the same blog or a web page which tells about the Excel shortcut keys. Let's now insert a shape which looks like a button. So go to Insert, Shapes. Let's choose this one. Just draw your button. By right mouse click, you can change the color and formatting as you like. I'm also adding some 3D formatting so that my button looks good. Right mouse click, Edit Text. Right here, Open Existing File. Click on this shape again, right mouse click, go to links. Now you have different options here. It is not necessary that you link this button with a web address only. You can link it to an existing file here. You just need to browse here and select the file. Click OK. Now click this button and a file will get open. I'm closing this out. Now you can also link this button to different places in this document. In this file, I have multiple tabs. Let's say I want to add a link to go to report worksheet. For that, let's now insert a picture or icon instead of a button. So go to Insert, Picture, this device, choose your picture and insert. Adjust your image. This image is too big, so I am adjusting it, make it a small one. Then right mouse click on it, go to links, place in this document, select report sheet. And here let's change this A1 to A5, click OK. When I click this picture, it will take me to the report worksheet and the active cell is A5. In addition to adding link for web pages, existing files, different places in this document, we have two more options. You can create a new document also to link with this. So give it a name. This will be the file path and you can edit this new document now or later. One more option is to link with an email address. So let's insert one more image for this. So go to Insert, Picture, this device, choose your picture and insert. Adjust your image again, make it a small one. Then a right mouse click on it, go to links and then go to email address option this time. Now we can type in the email ID here, put the subject line and click OK. When you click on this image, it will open up an email app or a page with the subject line. If you want to remove the link on this button, just right mouse click and select remove link. Now after removing link, this is just a normal shape. It is not clickable, it is not a button type, but it's just a normal shape because we have removed the hyperlinks from this image. I have different tabs or sheets in my file and I want a hyperlink in each sheet to go back to the index sheet. Let's say I want the backlink here in cell A1. Make sure that this A1 cell is blank in all the tabs or all the sheets. This is to ensure that we are not overwriting any existing data in any of the sheets. So in our file, the A1 cell is empty in all sheets, so we are good to go. If I select all the sheets by pressing Ctrl key and then right mouse click on cell A1, I cannot add a link. I also don't want to create this hyperlink in each sheet separately. So here is the trick. Deselect all the sheets, go to any one of the sheet, select A1. I am typing here index sheet, right mouse click, go to link, index sheet, click OK. Now I have a hyperlink added to only one sheet and let's check it out. It is working fine. Now copy this cell A1, Ctrl C, the cell which has the hyperlink. Now multi-select all the sheets by holding down the Ctrl key. Go to A1 and paste Ctrl V. Now let's check if this is copied to all the sheets. Yes. Let's test it out and click on it and it will take you to the index sheet. So it is working fine. So the trick is just do it for one sheet, copy the cell to all the other sheets. By default, the color of hyperlink in Excel is of blue color and when you clicked on it, it changes to this color, something like brown color. Now if you don't like this default setting of Excel, you can change it. You can do so by changing the style. This is available in your ribbon here. So like I said, it's blue and then this color, once the link is followed or clicked, will change to brown. So to change this, just right mouse click. I noticed that right mouse click in Excel is like the answer of so many questions in Excel. Anyway, okay. So we just right mouse clicked, go to modify, go to format, go to font color, change the color to let's say green, click OK and OK. So now once I click this, it changes to green color. You can do the same thing, choose the color or formatting for the blue color of the hyperlink. We have a list of so many links here and we want to give a friendly name to all of them. Now going with the method right mouse click individually and then giving it name will take a lot of time. So we will use a formula here. Use equal to hyperlink, provide the link location which is this one, comma and your friendly name which is this one. Close your bracket and press enter. You can drag this formula down and you have noticed that all the links are web addresses except this last one. It says go to sheet report and cell A1. So on clicking this, it will jump onto the report sheet and on clicking these links, they will open up a web page. Now if you don't want to see these columns, just simply hide them, right mouse click and hide. This is all about the hyperlinks in Excel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more Excel tips and tricks, subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.